EOS has recently topped out with multiple sell signals and has since dropped down to structure support at 89.57 cents. However, we could be getting a bounce and a subsequent 8% move up from the current standing, and here's what I'm seeing. Let's dive into the charts. Here we are on the TradeConfident.io website. If you haven't seen it yet, Travis just released a video this morning how he made $851 again this morning on a scalping trade. There's a little bit of a tutorial there, but today I'm going to take you over to the EOS IO metrics. And the first metric we're going to take a look at is the EOS Emotional Index. Now, we have been wildly varying in this chart, but right now we are just at the border of anxious and fearful. Most often when we're in one of these red territories, it will indicate a likely move up in price, and that is exactly what I'm expecting. And with that, as we look at the EOS Volatility Breakout Detector, we are still seeing kind of midway volatility here. Nothing absolutely crazy, although this drop is pretty significant here. Most likely, I think we're going to see a little bit of consolidation here at the bottom before the next subsequent move up. Heading on down now to the EOS Whale Smart Money metric. This is massive bullish sentiment for EOS. This is a huge amount of orange bars to the long trade side, and most of them are reaching between 600, 800, or even higher. Anything above 600 or around 800 is where we're looking for long trades to really come into the market from whale traders, and where whale money goes, the price is likely to go too. So I'm expecting moves up from there. Next up, I'm going to take you to the EOS major support and resistance levels. Personally, I'm looking at 83.06 cents as our closest structure support. You'll see this marked up on the live charts. More on that later. For now, though, we're also looking at structure resistance at 96.27 cents, or as high as exactly $1. These are the levels we need to be paying attention to as we move on to the EOS long versus short trades. Long trades are very slowly trickling into the market. Short trades are doing the same, however. The space between the two is relatively the same, and with long trades well over short trades and volume, we should be seeing moves up. Maybe not anything crazy, but at least gradually I am looking for moves up in EOS soon. Next up is going to be the EOS daily trade scanner, and we recently got a buy signal that has unfortunately been invalidated and the price has dropped. However, because we're at a lower price, we could be seeing yet another buy signal, and I think if we see one pop right here, it will be an indication of the next move up in EOS. I'm really excited to see that. And if you personally trade EOS, you are going to want to check out these metrics. Check up on them every single day. New data is going to mean new possible trades. So if you want to get access, links to the membership can be found in the description down below. Just go ahead and scroll down, click show more, and the membership is the very first link. Go ahead and click that. Personally, I recommend the full access for $59 a month, as this gives you access to trade setups, weekly coaching, and daily metrics across all 20 coins. You get members only content, you get your own personal scalping trade calls, and many more benefits. So if you want to join us, just click subscribe now, follow the prompts, and we hope to trade with you soon. With that, let's check out the live charts. Right now we're looking at EOS on the 1 day time frame. You're going to see an ascending what is now a resistance but was previously support that we broke below. We now have brand new structure support at 89.57 cents here. This is where I'm looking at structure support. I personally do not think we're going to fall anywhere below that. We have a lot of touches here, back here, right around this area. Almost hit it at this little dip, and we of course are touching it right now. We're seeing that the price versus while money flow is in the middle of its chart, and the trend exhaustion is getting back down. It's lowering here at this point, and most often when we see trend exhaustion low, it means a downtrend is exhausted. Price versus while money flow is not as low as I personally would like it to be to see moves up. It is in the middle of its chart though, so that means there is plenty of room for it to move, and it has reached much higher areas in previous times. However, it has reached previous lows as well. At this point though, because trend exhaustion is low and we are seeing a little bit of room to move up, I'm expecting moves up because of that. Knowing that, we just need to check out possible resistances to see where the price is likely to head up. Personally, again, I'm looking at this ascending resistance line. Now, if I take this line, make a little copy of it, and move up a little bit right about here, as high as the exactly $1 mark, right around this area is where I'm looking for the next move up in EOS. This follows hold numbers theory here at $1. It follows this ascending structure resistance, and it is not a huge move up here, which would fall in line with how much room the price versus while money flow has to move up. While it may not seem like a lot from the current price, actually in the beginning of the video I said this would be an 8% move, but this is nearly a 10% move at 9.52% from the current price all the way to $1. Now, if you were an EOS trader, or really if you're trading cryptocurrency in general, you're really going to want to try out these indicators. They absolutely crushed this market, and the best part is they are on sale right now up until May 12th, this Friday. They are on sale for up to $450. And in order to get access to these, all you have to do is check the links in the description down below. Again, just go ahead and scroll down, hit show more, and the indicators are the second link. Go ahead and click that. It'll bring you to our spring sale page. $450 off all indicators. We have over 4,000 downloads and counting. Scrolling down here, the best possible deal to get that full $450 off will be to purchase the bundle pack first. This will include the trend exhaustion, price versus well money flow, trend dashboard, and many other indicators for you to try out. Use code SPRING50 at checkout in order to get the first $50 off, and the indicator bundle pack will include a $400 off coupon for the TC top and bottom finder. All you got to do is click the checkout link here, click I want this, enter coupon code SPRING50, click apply, enter your information for payment here, click pay, and it will offer you the TC top and bottom finder for just $349 instead of the $749 it usually is. This is a one-time $400 off discount. Just click add to cart and you now have that full $450 off. Once your information is filled out, just click pay again and you are good to go. I'm really excited for you to try out these indicators. And if you're trading EOS, I'm personally looking for that 9.52% move up to around $1. With that, thanks so much for watching. Trade safe, trade confident. I will see you in the next video.